Understanding, no doubt, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special episode for you where we are going to delve into the world of English phrases and idioms. Our phrase for today is, no doubt. This is a phrase that you might come across in everyday conversations, books, movies, and more. So, if you've ever wondered about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. No doubt is a phrase that is used to express a strong belief that something is true or likely to happen. When someone uses this phrase, they are expressing certainty or confidence about a situation or statement. For example, if someone says, "She will no doubt ace the exam," they are expressing confidence that she will perform very well in the exam. Now that we know what no doubt means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. It can be used in different ways depending on the context. 1. To express certainty. He is no doubt the best player on the team. 2. To acknowledge something. There are no doubt many challenges ahead, but we are prepared. 3. As a response. Do you think it will rain today? No doubt. Meaning, yes, it definitely will rain. While no doubt is a fairly straightforward phrase, it's still important to use it correctly. One common mistake is using it in a double negative construction, which can create confusion. For example, avoid sentences like, "There is no doubt that he isn't coming." Instead, you can say, "There is no doubt that he is coming," or, "There is doubt that he is coming." And that's it for today's episode on the phrase, no doubt. We hope that this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. English is full of these interesting phrases and idioms, and understanding them can really help you sound more like a native speaker. Don't forget to practice using no doubt in your own sentences to get a hang of it. If you have any questions or if there's any other phrase you'd like us to explain, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.